If you have never made money online before, this is going to be your first withdrawal. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, I want to show you how you can play games from this app in the next 2 minutes, and you can place your withdrawal, and then you can come back and spend time so that you can make more money on this app. Now this app is very simple. It's just like a farming app. It is called Farm. Now I will leave the link for you to sign up in the comment section. Go to my comment section, join my community, and then you'll get the sign up link. Now it is just like a social media app. This app enables you to connect with people. When you connect with people, you enter their room, their meeting rooms, and every other thing. You can harvest your crops. You will definitely get some points, and those points are then accumulated to cash in dollars. Now, depending on your country, the currency will be showing. I am from Nigeria, so it is showing me Naira. But whatever country you are, you will be seeing the currency according to your country's currency. Hey guys, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you love what you are seeing. Trust me guys, at the end of this video, I will show you a withdrawal proof of the money I made from this particular app. So stay with me to the end of this video. So this is how to play the game. It is very simple. It is just for you to click on the harvest crops here. You can join groups. You can also follow people, all right? These are people already in this app, so that means people already cashing out, so you are not alone. You can just click on this harvesting tool here, and then automatically it's going to harvest some crops to you, all right? And you can see here, if I follow this person here that you're seeing, some points are going to be accumulated to me. That is, those points is going to be in my currency, that is in Naira. As you can see, if I follow this person, I will get 75 Naira, and this 75 Naira can be converted into cash and can be withdrawn into my Binance account. All right, it is very simple. So I want to withdraw what we have there now. I'm going to farm a little bit to make it like 225 Naira, which I've done it now. So I want to withdraw it. So listen guys, you can only withdraw this 150 Naira for once, and then you can come back again and withdraw $10. So now let's place a withdrawal. Is either you can exchange it to become coin, or you can place a withdrawal. So if I place a withdrawal now, I'm going to supply my Binance USDC account. If you don't have Binance, go and create a Binance account and then open your wallet and then copy your USDC wallet address. Then the Ethereum, the withdrawal network is Ethereum. So you make sure that it is Ethereum when you are copying it. All right. So I will go and copy mine right now and come back and click on the withdrawal. As you can see, the amount, the account type is what? That is the network, right? The account type is USDC. The network is Ethereum. So I want to paste my withdrawal wallet now. This is my withdrawal wallet address, right, for USDC. As you can see, amount to receive is 0.10. That is like 10 cents, all right? So this is a proof that this site pays. So let's see it together and see how it goes. All right, I just hit on confirm. As you can see, your withdrawal request has been submitted. All right, so as you can see, this is what I have left in my wallet, right? I just have 0.05 because I have withdrawn 0.10. All right, so the next withdrawal I can make now is up to like $10. So what we are going to do right now is for us to go and check my Binance and confirm if this money I withdraw actually dropped. So let's go to my Binance right now and see if it dropped. So let me check my notification. This is it. This shows that the money has dropped on my Binance account. So let's go to the Binance and check what is happening there. Here, this is it, USDC. Look at the dates there. Let me click on it and see what is going to show. This is it. So guys, this is an instant withdrawal. And then if you loot more, you're going to make more money. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Subscribe.